How to change autosave time in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent way that will help you changing the autosave time in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. We all know not only Excel, all the Microsoft Office has autosave feature that helps you from any unexpected situation like power outage, and if you accidentally close your workbook, Excel has a copy automatically saved for you, okay, and you can recover that copy and that can save a lot of your time. Now by default Excel autosaves in each 10 minutes, okay. But if you lose this data, that means last 10 minutes of work has been lost. So you can change this autosave feature, and for that you'll have to click on the File tab, click on Options, click on Save, and here you can see Save Auto Recovery Information every 1 minute. Okay, because I have changed this from 10 minutes to 1 minute. For your scenario, it will be like this. Auto recovery information every 10 minutes. You can change this according to your need, and I have kept 1 minute. So if I accidentally close this workbook, or if my device is out of power, it can shut down, but my workbook will be saved each minute. That means if I lose something, I'll lose only 1 minute of work. Okay. You should also checkmark this. Keep the last auto-recovered version if I close without saving. Sometimes we close the workbook and it gives us a pop-up, but we don't take a look at it and we just close it. And in that scenario, if you have checkmarked this, if you don't save your workbook, a copy of your workbook will also be saved in your Excel auto recovery location, which is here. This is the auto recover location for my scenario. In your case, it will be different. Okay, so if you change this time, it will be your autosave time. Okay, Excel will automatically save your data in every minute. If you change this to 5 minutes, Excel will save your data in every 5 minutes. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.